Hi, I'm Catherine Myers and I have over 30 years experience as a painter and teacher of watercolor. In this class, we will be using both transparent watercolor and opaque watercolor called gouache. Students love transparent watercolor for its beautiful translucency, as well as the wonderful magical experimental effects you can get with the use of wet and wet techniques, sometimes with straws, toothbrushes, and even salt. But you will also learn how to have control over these effects when desired to create three-dimensional form and volume. Opaque watercolor, with its saturated, luscious matte surface, although still a water-based medium, is quite different than transparent watercolor. The color and surface has a particular kind of potency that also pairs nicely with transparent watercolor. In this class, we will create works using both of these two types of watercolor independently, but also together. In my own work, I use both transparent watercolor and gouache in small paintings about space and architecture. I use the layering abilities of this medium to mimic the effects of antique and worn surfaces that I love to depict. This medium is also great for travel as it's very portable. Using only minimal materials of water and pigment, you can take it anywhere with you. So I warmly welcome you to join me on a UConn Pre-College Summer Watercolor Workshop adventure.
Yeah.